What's my favorite extension right now? Of course, it's the JungleScout Chrome extension, and I'm going to show you why it's important for product research and sales data analytics in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that JungleScout offers. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to log into JungleScout. Once you click login, it's going to take you to this page, and there's a little extension button right here, and it's going to take you to the extension. You want to download it. You can see it's right here for me, and you can click it, download it, and then you can open up Amazon and utilize the tool. Now, I've used JungleScout, Helium 10, Smart Scout, AMZ Scout, and I actually still pay for all of those services because we're a consulting company. But JungleScout is one of my favorite extensions for its simplicity. So it's great for product research. So right now I don't even have to open up the extension, but it tells me, if you scroll down, see all this? This is all from JungleScout, powered by JungleScout. It tells me exactly how much money they're making per month. I can easily copy the ASIN, or I can add it into my product tracker to look at it later if I wanted to do product research. But this just shows, if you type in nasal irrigation system, you can see that there's only a few competitors, and all of the competitors are making bank, right? And then how accurate is this tool? Well, I did do an analysis on my own products, my clients' products, and it's usually around $2,000 off, but it's very, very, very close to accurate on utilizing the JungleScout tool. So if the sales are this big, $2,000 difference isn't that big of a difference, but you can just see how much sales a company's making, and this tool really does make it easy. It shows the monthly units sold, the daily units sold, monthly revenue, net revenue, total fees, it even shows, which is the Amazon fees, which is awesome data to know. It has its own score, the higher the better, the listing quality score. You can see this has a listing quality score of 8, so there is some improvements. This one's only a 6, which is probably why it's not generating as many sales. And then it has the fulfillment. It even has the brand. This is VIX. Not surprised that they don't have a good listing quality score. The dimensions, when the first date it was available, this just launched in 2024. Never heard of it until now. The weight, and then the product tier. So it's very, very cool. The weight's actually a lot lighter than the other ones, but you can see the difference. Let's look at the number one competitor. Theirs is almost 2 pounds. Now what we can also do is open up the extension if we want more data, more details, and the actual extension right here is pretty decent. You can make it bigger or make it smaller. One of the negative aspects about this extension is it does take a lot of power for your PC to use it. So if your PC isn't strong, it will slow down your computer. Just be aware of that. I did recently upgrade my computer and I don't have any issues with it, but my old computer did. So JungleScout does give a 7-day money back guarantee. If it starts messing up your computer, maybe you can check out Helium 10 or AMZ Scout or Smart Scout, which is in the description. But this has a lot of data, and you can see more data here, and even actually take it out and then download it as a CSV. So you don't have to look at it. If you're a numbers guy or a numbers girl, you can just download it as a CSV, download the screenshot, search trends, right? You can see the keyword cloud. So you can see this is regarding allergy. It could create ideas on having allergy reducing products, not just for your nose. What if they have something else that you could create? Congestion, irrigation, nasal. So it has the keywords that people are typing in to find these products, which is another thing. You can filter the results as well of the minimum revenue, Amazon fees. So if I only want to be looking at competitors that are doing at least $1 million a month, I could put that in here. 1 million. Let's see if that's right. Looks right. And then you can see the products that are making at least $1 million a month. And I didn't even know this one was making $1 million a month, but let's look into it. So not only does the extension do that, but once you actually click on the listing, JungleScout also pops up this little mini thing at the top to show you the monthly revenue, and you can see some more sales data here, which is just awesome. Again, the Chrome extension is just so clean compared to a lot of the competitors, and that's what makes it stand out. Overall, JungleScout's Chrome extension is a great tool for beginners that want to have a clean interface to find their first product to launch. Now, it's not only for beginners, but it's also for experts because it's just so clean and easy to use, where I love to use it on a daily basis. Now, for advanced users, I still do use Helium 10, Smart Scout, and AMZ Scout since all those tools are different, but JungleScout does take the lead on my daily use Chrome extension. Right now, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that it offers. So they also offer an academy, a developer, the same extension that we talked about, and they have a managed products area to help you build your listing, FBA reimbursements for those lost inventory or inventory that Amazon damages, inventory manager to make sure you're staying in stock. You can also tell JungleScout how much the cost of your product is, so that way they can go into the product profit overview and tell you how much profit you're actually making from Amazon. It calculates all of your refunds. It calculates all of Amazon's hidden fees for you, all of the advertising, shipping costs, whatever, and it tells you the actual profit. You have ads analytics here, other transactions, a profit and loss statement, review automation to ask customers for reviews. You can see we've saved 13 hours using this tool, and we've gotten around a 4-star review, not many negatives, a lot of positives, and they even tells you the new reviews per product, which is very awesome. Keyword optimization to improve your keywords and your sales on there, right? Having good SEO and improving your SEO is a great tool to organically increase your sales. Suppliers, that's great for finding a supplier for product research. Product research tab is specifically for finding products like I just showed you. And then there's also some AI tools that JungleScout has implemented. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. And if you learned something new, drop a like if you're an Amazon seller. I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, product research, launching, increasing your sales, whatever it is, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. We specialize in Amazon, and it's right in the description, so you can contact us or schedule a call. Our #1 service is our full A to Z management service. We'll come in, instead of you doing everything inside your business, we're gonna do it for you, create a strategy, increase your sales, and much, much more. Just contact us about our full Amazon A to Z management for you today. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.